10 hiking accessories I bought from TEMU in 2024. Number 1.
This multifunction knife pliers can be folded to a length of 3.93 inches. When expanded, the large one measures 6.14 inches. It comes in a nylon bag and offers 14 functions in one tool. Needle nose pliers, round pipe pliers, cutting pliers, knife cross tip screwdriver, small flat tip screwdriver, fish scale knife, detacher, double-sided file, large flat tip screwdriver, scraper, medium flat tip screwdriver, can opener, and a bottle opener.
Number 2.
Paracord bracelet with flint fire starter. The 5-in-1 Paracord survival bracelet is an excellent accessory that combines flint, whistle, compass, and scraper, designed to offer a variety of tools that allow you to solve everyday problems or respond to more critical situations. It is great essential for all your camping, hiking, hunting, boating, and outdoor activities. This 5-in-1 Paracord survival bracelet is lightweight, easy to carry, and makes a great fashion piece to add to your everyday carry.
Number 3.
Waterproof and windproof lighter. Ensure worry-free outdoor adventures with Elk's USB rechargeable dual-arc plasma lighter. The sealed cover and locking clasp prevent water infiltration, making it ideal for camping, hiking, and survival. Fast USB rechargeability. Experience convenience with the included USB cable for laptop, power bank, or car charging. Enjoy up to 2 hours on a full charge, eliminating the need for traditional fuel sources. Durable construction with premium materials. Crafted from high-quality ABS and zinc alloy, this USB lighter withstands the rigors of outdoor activities. A robust construction ensures longevity, making it the perfect gift for outdoor enthusiasts.
Number 4.
The Go Time Gear Life Tent is a high-performance two-person emergency shelter engineered to keep you dry, warm, and alive in any survival situation. If you are lost on a hiking trip, stranded outside in a winter storm, or forced to spend an unplanned night out during an emergency, our life tent is a small investment that could save your life. Waterproof and windproof. Our extra-thick, puncture-resistant shelter reflects 90% of your body heat and locks out rain, wind, and snow. Ultra-light and packable. Our emergency storm shelter weighs just 8.7 ounces and packs down fast in a 5.25 by 3.25 inch stuff sack. Our life tent includes an ultra-loud whistle to alert rescuers up to 1 mile away. 20-foot paracord. Versatile survival gear. This life tent is a critical part of any hiking or hunting pack, bug-out bag, earthquake survival kit, or car emergency kit.
Number 5.
The Go Time Gear Life Bivy serves as your emergency blanket, survival shelter, and survival sleeping bag all in one. Engineered for emergencies and survival, you have the ability to call for help using the 120 decibel survival whistle, and the bright orange color alerts rescuers. Perfect for your bug-out bag, survival gear, camping gear, or car survival kit, the Life Bivy is an essential tool to ensure you stay alive in an emergency. Great stocking stuffer and the perfect gift for someone who loves the outdoors.
Number 6.
Military Tactical Backpack, capacity 30 liters. Military backpack is made of 900 Oxford nylon fabric, durable and water resistant. Suitable for fitness, travel, hiking, camping, and other outdoor activities. Waterproof materials, multi-purpose use. This tactical assault backpack can be used as a 3-day assault pack, bug-out bag backpack, army backpack, hunting backpack, military survival backpack, trekking backpack, or day pack for daily use. MOLLE system. MOLLE tactical backpack has MOLLE system, MOLLE webbing throughout for attaching additional tactical pouches or gear. As 3-day assault pack backpack, combat MOLLE backpack.
Number 7.
Micro Fleece thermal beanie. Warm and comfortable, low profile. Ski beanie cap can be used as liner for helmet or hard hat. Snow hat suitable for all outdoor activities, hiking, skiing, winter sports, shooting range, snowboarding, fishing, cycling, hunting, running, etc. Military style design, fleece hat with a low profile design similar to mil-spec issue caps, so suitable for armed forces.
Number 8.
Portable solar charger. This power bank Li polymer battery is a lightweight and small size. A friendly battery pack for outdoors such as camping, hiking, and other emergency situations, using or backup indoor, compatible with smartphones and other 5-volt devices. It would be a good option for a gift. Dual flashlights, USB, 3-mode steady SOS strobe flashlight lightens your path, lights up the camp, hiking in the dark, or signal for help in emergency snow runs out of power. This solar battery charger with dual USB can charge 2 devices simultaneously.
Number 9.
Best folding trekking pole. Collapsible walking stick travel crutch. Each trekking pole can be extended to length from 15 inch to 51 inch, 40 to 130 centimeters. Quick and easy to adjust by hand, suitable for different adult heights. Lightweight and adjustable hiking pole with a folding length 15 inch and weight 0.66 pounds. This collapsible walking cane can be fit easily into a backpack or airline carry-on bag. Great for travel, hiking, trekking, or works as a stabilizing device to help balance. Makes an extremely safe and reliable walking stick.
Number 10.
Outdoor sports, leisure camping protection, multifunctional knife with 440C blade and aluminum handle. Portable pocket folding knife. 8-inch tactical folding knife with glass breaker and belt cutter. Multifunctional outdoor camping survival tool. 8-inch tactical folding knife with glass breaker and belt cutter. Multifunctional outdoor camping survival tool. Warning disclaimer. Misuse of the product for any illicit activities is strictly forbidden. Please comply with the applicable laws and regulations in your jurisdiction.
I hope you loved the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, The Gonzo Book. And as always, we'll see you on the other side.